Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to change Google password on Android. So you can do it through any Google services. So I'm going through email, and here you have to go to your profile and go to manage Google account. And once in there, you will find the option of security and sign in. Head over there and you have to scroll down and you will find the option of a password. So you have to go to your password. Here Google will verify your identity. You have to give your password. Tap on continue. And once Google is done verifying, it will lead you to a page where you can change or give your new password, and then you can re-enter your password, set or confirm the new password, and make sure to tap on change password, otherwise your new password won't be saved. So yeah, this is how easy it is to change Google passwords on Android. If this video helped you out, make sure to share this with your friends and family, and please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.